Hey guys, it's Girline, and this is the channel where we pursue our best selves yet. Badum. For today's video, I'm doing the clean makeup look that has been going around on TikTok, etc. Here are some examples of photos. These are our pegs for today. And basically, I think when we think about clean makeup, it's just very minimal, very skin-like. So yun yung gagawin natin today. And let's do my makeup. So since we are doing a clean makeup look, it's all about the base. Kakantahin ko dapat yung. So I already have my SPF on skincare ako, but I do want to start with the Clocheflame Restorative Facial Mist because this is just a really nice way to start any makeup look for me. It's so hydrating. It's so good. You know what? A good trick is if you can have like yung electric fan, na mini electric fan, you can have that while you do your makeup. I got that from Kai. And anyway, this afternoon, I want to try the serum from Issy and Co. So this is their booster serum. This is hydrating and soothing. And so I'm gonna put a little bit here, a little bit there. So let's just spread that all over my face. Wow. I'm not so sure kasi I used to use the Sebum Control serum from Issy and Co. Yun talaga yung ginagamit ko because it's good for oily skin. But right now, ayan, I need some hydration back in my skin. Okay, so while we let that set, I want to introduce you guys to some products that I am gonna be using. So syempre, medyo dito tayo sa local/affordable options. We have the Issy and Co. Skin Tint. This is what we're gonna be using as our base. And then I also want to show you guys the Issy and Co. Active Concealer because I've been using Get Ready With Me Cosmetics for my past videos. Nahulog! So, ngayon, ito naman yung gamitin natin para maiba naman. So, this is Brulee, which I really love. This is the shade that I've been using for a while. For my concealer naman, we have MW3. Yan. Okay, so my face is all ready. Hindi na ako magpa-primer because I think the serum can also act as a primer. So I'm just gonna put a little bit at the back of my hand and then I'll put that all over my face. I think I put a little too much, but let's see. Medyo blendable kasi ito eh. Like a little goes a long way. And with our clean makeup look, you don't really need a lot, you know? Okay, so now let's blend that. To blend, I'm gonna use the microfiber sponge that was recommended to me by Kai Javier. If you haven't followed her, follow her. Kamusta ba? Maganda ba yung blend niya? I wanna see. Wait lang, I can't really see because I'm looking at the camera right now. Okay naman siya actually. Actually, maganda yung pagka-blend niya. It doesn't take a lot of product, which is sometimes my concern with sponges. Okay naman siya. Yeah. Looks like skin. Ang ganda ng finish niya, guys. I really love this sponge. This is the O2O microfiber sponge. Microfiber? Tama ba? Yeah. There! Okay, after that, let's use the concealer. So I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Tapos, just some of the blemishes. Charot, wala naman masyadong blemishes. So just under the eyes, here. Here to lift. Tada! Dito tayo. Yan. And then, using the same sponge, we're gonna blend. Take note, when we blend upwards. To really get that lift. Nice. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with our base. Okay, after that, let's do contour. So for contour naman, this is a product that is a go-to for me, the Colourette Colourtint in Jordyn. So again, guys, the rule is tapusin nyo muna lahat ng liquid and cream products bago kayo mag-move on sa powder. So bago ako mag-set ng concealer or anything, I'm gonna put this first. Ayan. So, yan. And then let's blend. Other side. Okay, after nun, should we do, yung nose ko, ipa-powder ko na lang. Okay, now we set. Now, for setting, I'm gonna be using the Detail Cosmetics Invisible Setting Powder. I really love this because kahit anong skin tone mo, maganda siya. Using this brush, just patting a little bit, tap off the excess, and then daming excess. Okay, under my eye. Corner of the nose. Chin. This area especially. Yan, my T-zone really. Ayan, yan lang muna. And then, for the rest of the face, I'm going to use my contour powder to set. This is the Vice Cosmetics Contour Palette Pot in the shade Confeeerm. And that's really how they spell it, Confeeerm. Ayan. So this is what I'm gonna be using. Konti lang. Tap the excess, and then iba-blend ko tong part na to. Pero for this one naman, I'm gonna go up. Hindi ako titigil dito. I'm gonna go up here, kasama na yung forehead. Ayan. Tapos ibababa ko sa chin, sa jawline. There you go. Ayan. Later on, I'm gonna give you a view na kitang-kita. But for now, ito muna. Doing the other side so you can see properly. Yan. Start at the temple, going down and then going up as well. Just blend it out properly. Sa jawline, sama nyo na. Going up. And back again. So the trick here is to just blend. Blend, blend, blend. For my wala akong brush dito for my nose contour. So, ito na lang din gagamitin ko. I will just pinch it para it's smaller. Oh my God. Yeah, kasi naiwan ko sa kabilang room and honestly, tinatamad akong tumayo. Yun lang. So, for my nose contour, idudugtong ko lang siya sa aking eyebrows. There. Okay, if it's a little too much kasi sumobra kayo, then just, adjust. Okay, for my kilay naman, it's gonna be simple because honestly, guys, I microbladed my brows. Wow, parang puro Issy & Co yung gamit ko today, ah. Not sponsored, but for some reason, Issy & Co yung mga nakukuha kong products. Anyway, so for my brows, I'm gonna use the Precision Brow Pen from Issy & Co again. This is in Taupe Brown. Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko ng taupe? I don't know. But if I'm wrong, correct me. If I'm right, well, glorify me. Charot! Okay, so all I'm gonna do is fill in the sparse areas. Pero wala naman akong masyadong sparse areas. So I'm just gonna darken it like this. Just very natural. Ayan, light strokes. There you go. Ayan lang. Ganun lang siya. So for the dito naman sa malapit, I just do like upward strokes. So they look like real hair. But that's about it. And then I pat it, but it's not too dark. Ta-da! And then I'll do the same on the other side. I can't really see. Kailangan ko ng mas malaking mirror. Pwede na yan. Bahala na. Okay, let's do my blush first. So for my blush, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Le Bar a Blush in the shade Play With Me. I really love this for some reason. Super duper, this is the kind of coral that I like. So for this, I try to focus near the temple because I do have like a very round face. So in order to lift it up, I focus here and not so much on my cheeks. Although to be fair, I like my round face. I think it makes me look youthful. But for the sake of this makeup look, you know, let's balance everything out. Yeah, I'm also gonna put a little bit on my nose. Saktong sunburnt. Yan. To blend it all, I'm using a different brush para something a little less dense. Okay. Now, my eyes. Do I want to do anything with my eyes? Not really. So, I'm gonna proceed with my lashes na agad. So, for my lashes, this is my favorite ride or die. This is the Maybelline Hypercurl na waterproof. I could actually use the non-waterproof one. I also like that. Pero for, I don't know, ito yung meron ako today. So, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and add this. This is a very crucial step, guys, because this is how you make your eyes look awake. Actually, sorry, before I do that, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Master Chrome from Maybelline. This is in the shade Molten Gold. I'll just dab a little bit and put it on my eyelids just so it has a little shimmer. Yan. Ayan, okay. Very, very slight lang, ha? Very, very slight. There you go. And then, I think, nagbago yung isip ko. I'll add a little bit of yung Vice Contour sa eye ko na rin. Tapos, I'll use this brush, I guess. Kasi naiwan ko yung mga eyeshadow brushes ko sa labas. Super duper light shadow lang, just so I can have a little dimension. Yan. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. Super light lang talaga, guys. Ayan. Okay, now let's curl my lashes and then add mascara. Because love grows where my rosemary goes. I don't know if you guys can tell. Maybe I'll zoom you guys in a little bit more. But it really makes a difference if you have lashes. Like, if you curl your lashes, I mean. And itong mascara na to, it really lasts. Also, don't forget your lower lashes. Important yan. Tignan niyo yung difference. Okay, so let's curl this as well. Okay, after this, dagdag tayo highlighter. So I'm gonna use the Master Chrome again and just put it in the high points of my face. Here. Here. Ooh. Here. Here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna set this with the Luxe Organix Beauty Mist by Clutz. Pop, pop, pop. And then last but not the least, we use lipstick. Ganda na lipstick! Oh my gosh! Okay, so now, let me move you guys to a different view, okay, so I can show you the final look. Ganda! I changed my lipstick to a lighter shade. What do you guys think? I think this is very much a clean makeup look, very everyday. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions about the products, the processes, just let me know and I will answer in another video. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to stay confident. Bye!